Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can charge battery of your DJI Mavic Pro. So to do this we have to open the front arms and the right one, and also the same with the left one. Next we have to remove the battery, so you can do this by holding this button and also this button together. So hold it and then pull it towards you, this part. Right now we have to remove from the box this charging port and simply do this like that. Let me show you. So here is the part of the battery that we have to stick right here to this charger, and we have to do this like this. Take a look. Just put it together. It's very simple. We have to basically put the pins, the gold pins, to the gold pins of the battery. As you can see, it's connected right now. So the next option, the next thing that we have to do right now is to grab this charger from our box, and we have to plug this part right here at the bottom. So let's do this right now. And that's, by the way, no matter if you put it in this position, on the second opposite position, because right here and right here we got the space for the cable, so don't worry about that. And when you do this, so right now, as you can see, we have to plug this cable. So you can also find it right here in the box. So we have to plug this cable inside, and this end for sure we have to plug to the electricity. And as you can see, when we do this, this indicator turns on, it starts blinking, and right now also the indicators of our battery starts blinking. So as you can see right now, it is charging, and there's 4 dots, and each dot is about 25%. So 25, 50, 75 and 100. And I can recommend you to charge it at least to the 75%. And as you can see, that's a very simple way to charge your batteries on the DJI Mavic Pro. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.